everyone, welcome back to the Artist Azaru art tutorial channel. If you have ever been waiting to draw something new, then this video is just for you. So in today's video, we'll go through this complete artwork step by step using simple techniques that makes the drawing easy and enjoyable for all of you here. So don't keep your drawing materials waiting for you. So let's begin our drawing. Step 1. Draw the grid lines. Before we begin, let's carefully draw the grid lines using the exact measurements shown in the video. Keep each line light and evenly spaced, as this will make it much easier to sketch the artwork accurately. Once your grid is completed, now we can begin our amazing artwork for today. Step 2. Erase the grid lines and darken the drawing. Once the basic drawing is completed, gently erase the grid lines, then darken your drawing to make the outline clearer and proper, followed by this video. Step 3. Add details and finalize the drawing. Now it's time to refine the outline and add all important details and complete the final touches to finish your drawing of this video. If you enjoy drawing with me, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to Artist Azaru and turn on notifications bell so you don't miss the next video. And join me as we complete all 100 anime character drawings, one character at a time. So, see you in the next challenge. Bye bye.